Halo guys.
Halo guys,
Kita mau pergi ke tadi. Kita itu mau pergi ya bareng-bareng sama mainan. Kita ada lagi sama mainan. Ada bunda. Bibi udah kambing.
Kita masih di atas. Sekarang jam berapa? Jam 10.
Ranger.
Oke, jelas ya. Kita lagi di bandara Habib. Sini. Tunggu. Hai kalian, jelasin dulu. Nah, Habib. Habib. Hati-hati. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. Tunggu Tur. It's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy family. But I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. Keep it low, keep it softly spoken. No strings tied you and me. Happy in your company with no emotion. I love you so sweet. Lalu halu oleh Habib. Dadah dulu dong. Dadah, Arthur. Pelan-pelan dong tunggu kita. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving